All right, so another day in Big Mama's house, yes, and Ewurama and then Larissa's friendship is still growing small. Yes, Ewurama and Larissa's friendship is still growing, and Charlie, as for us, there we are happy with what we see on our screen. And whilst Ewurama and then Larissa's friendship, then they do sisterhood in the kitchen, Bogdan and Naya were also doing things in the big bedroom. This is Loyalty TV Studio. Subscribe, like, share, and put us on post notifications so that whenever we post, you get to see what we do on this platform. So, Charlie, Bogdan and Naya. Oh boy, this early morning, and they were serving us, goals, chopping love. Yes, premium love that they were chopping in the washroom. We put together the video of Ewurama, Larissa, and what Bogdan and Naya were also doing in the big bedroom, whilst others were in the kitchen, others were at the hall. They were also in their comfort zone doing things. This is Loyalty TV Studios. Let's check out the video.
Talking of the
No, the gowns, the cat. Also, the strategy. Oh, that's all.
no, highness. I can't pick their bread in this. You make a put on for this. They have the.
No, just put it up. You have everything for inside there. The room will become a market space.
Then he will ask me.
Which
No.
house?
Then I'll be like, I never knew. When he enters, he will ask
I'll
me.
fix you yourself. I feel like I'm crying because.
Can you fake it?
Yeah, I can.
You fake it then. You'll be like, you actually thought.
Yeah.
And let's take some of the old stuff.
Okay.
Hi, baby.
Right. Let's get it. See you on Saturday. See you. Dennis.
They are clean.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
That's fine.
Wifey. Yeah, you've told like 4 boys what I'll do. What they will do to you.
But why do you have to get telephone?
So like to activate. I will activate the.
No, you don't have to hit it. You don't have to beat it first.
It will activate.
Activate what? Do it and let me see. Hey, what for the day? We. Suffer. I they bring out, you say give more.
If you like,
If we jigger right now, they will tell you that
They will tell you that.
you don't respect.
Should I start prepping the eggs? I don't know, I'm so hungry.
I haven't cleaned the living room. I'm waiting for Perry to finish.
I'm very hungry.
Then prep the egg.
You want your scrambled rice? What veggies do you want in it?
so you eat watermelon to do it.
I don't eat watermelon. It's one food that I can't eat. I don't know how to eat it.
Should I teach you?
I don't know if it can.
Should I teach you? You know, and yes, if you try to go
Early night and then I'll go and iron our clothes.
Yeah, I don't know.
Hey babe, what time did you iron it? What time did you iron it? Yeah, never. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? You'd be like this.
You don't laugh off me. You don't tell you. You remember when I was about to throw the food away?
What?
When I was about to throw the food away like this, I knew I would sit. I feel like
The next day.
I feel like you could read my next move for my face.
The next one I realized, hey, school. She's done. Yes, I give you a hanger. Where is it?
Give me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will need Bogdan and Naya.
Yeah, I
You
hanged
give
it.
me.
Yeah, I hanged it on the. Babe, I'm serious.
The only way. The washing machine really killed me.
Oh, today we'll play again. Oh. This game, I didn't know that was so fun like that.
All right, so that is Ewurama and then, Larissa. Yes, their friendship. I think that some of the fan base, they are not really happy with it. But at this point, I would just urge you to support them because, peace is sometimes, more necessary than the usual buzz that we see in the house. So, Charlie, Larissa, and then, and the Ewurama's friendship, I think that, there is some light in it because now the boys are also cool, like cracking jokes together, mocking others and all that. So, when you watch from the perspective of a neutral, it is very good, yes, even though sometimes we need small drama and all that. But at this point, if you are waiting for any drama between Ewurama or maybe even Ohinbe and Van Dyke, I think that you have to go back and watch the week 1 and week 2 videos. But for now, I think they are good. Yes, they are good. But as for Bogdan and Naya, the least said about them, the better. Because as people, they kitchen, they do things. As for them, they are in their own world, giving us couple goals, suffocating us with love, telling us that if you are single, God be with you. So for them, Charlie, the least said about them, the better. But at the end of the day, I think that you enjoyed this video. So if you enjoyed it, kindly subscribe, like, share, and put us on post notifications so that whenever we post, you get to see what we do on this platform. For now, we out.
Etoda, ohwe dan bi o mode light aye no nworan bi si hɔ a na bi sampo say electrician no mtua ne kade Kaise, about domestic installation, industrial installation, commercial installation, solar panel installation, security camera installation, electrical fencing, company papa, omoye ne simple ne yefe, a simple way electrical engineering, omo boda form, about down wiring yina, omo yeding yina mo kama, siaka krebi, ninye jumane mao, ye din the simple way electrical engineering, Francis here, 0249 607839 and 0266 560669. Your Doko Pacific Oil Pair. Simple way electrical engineering. You break your money, you fair.